welcome back. I'm your co-host Bono. Walking out on the river today, trying to catch some river smallmouth in February. Waiting on Josh here to roll up. His butt has a little bit of a longer drive, and he wanted to sleep in a little bit. Early bird gets the worm, so we'll see how we do.
It's a winter wonderland. See if we can catch anything. There's a fish. This is so cool. Oh, there we go. There he goes.
There we go. I got a bite. He's blind in one eye. There we go. It's a nice one. There you go.
Nice.
maybe he's long. Come on, buddy.
All right, there they go.
Yeah, pay attention to where.
Oh, there they go, together.
Together.
So cool. Not. Good fish.
19 and
19.
19.
Just 19.
Yeah, that's a nice.
19.
Oh, sorry, that's a nice fish.